Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm just gonna like get comfy because we're gonna be here for a while. So today's video is in partnership with FabFitFun. You guys know I freaking love them. I've done a fall box, a winter box, a spring box, and now a summer box with them. So I'm so excited they asked me to partner with them again. So the summer box is here. It came yesterday. I have literally been dying to open it. And this is the cutest box yet, I think. It's adorable, is it not? Literally my like aesthetic. I feel like this one's like definitely like very small. The old boxes used to be like huge. So if you guys want to get your first FabFitFun box, you guys can use the code Kelani10. I will also have that link down below. You can shop through my link. All right, let's get into it. The first thing they always have in these boxes is really cool, and I honestly have never used them yet. Why is my battery dying on this freaking camera? All right guys, I'll be right back. All right, let's try this again. The first thing in this box always is an $80 gift card to HelloFresh. I've never used this. I'm really not sure why, but I will totally try this out, hopefully. Oh, it's so hot in here, Jesus. This lighting is like A1 right now. $15 off your first box, a catalog. We into the goodies. Let's see. First thing is Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Fancy. Is it actually purple? It's purple. Wait, this is so cute. I just love the aesthetic of this whole thing. This is adorable. Exfoliating foot mask, smooths and softens. I feel like in the summer I always get like really dry feet. Is that like TMI? But also like where we live, like everyone just walks around barefoot and stuff, and it's like on rocks and sand and all that stuff. So this is actually probably going to be pretty helpful. Intense hydration, smooths and softens with coconut milk and verbena. Those are like the best things to like hydrate, I think, with. So that's cool. Oh, this looks so cute. Brazilian foreplay. Okay. Moisturizing shower cream gel. Oh, that smells so good. This is like, FabFitFun is awesome. Like they give you literally full size products. FabFitFun's the best because it's only 4 times a year. So it's not like you're paying every single month. It's literally just 4 times a year. Let's see. Intelligent nutrients, refining micro polish. What's this? I'm assuming. Oh, duh, it's an exfoliator. Use, apply to damp face and neck, obviously. I love like looking up all of the products like after I get my FabFitFun box and seeing how much they're all worth and like totaling it up, and I'm like, wow, that is amazing. This is awesome. I needed a new exfoliator, so that's cool. Oh my God, I needed liquid eyeliner too. What the heck? You guys like know me. I swear to God, I don't even pick these boxes out myself. Like they just send them. I've never heard of this makeup brand, but let's look at it. All right, ready? We're gonna test it out. Oh, nice. It's a little thick for my liking, but it looks really nice. Let's see. Jennifer Zuner jewelry. It's a necklace. It's, oh, wait, shut up. I have literally been wanting like a gold dainty necklace with stars on it like this for so long. Literally so long now. I'm gonna put it on right now because this is absolutely adorable. They give you the best stuff, guys. What is this? Ooh, Brazilian bum bum cream. Hold on. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, it like reduces cellulite. That's amazing. We love this. Let's see what these are. Invisibobbles. Okay. Wait, that's so weird because they probably don't crease your hair at all. Awesome, awesome. Wow, this thing's really heavy. Spray all day. Rose spray. Hydrating facial rose spray. Oh, it's nice. It's like Mario Medusa. Wait, this looks awesome. Rose gold brightening facial treatment mask, and there's 5 in there. Like, look at how big these are. Like a full sheet mask. All right, ready? Diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, reinforces and protects skin barrier, rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. 24 karat gold. These are probably like mad expensive if you actually buy them, but that is all that is in this box. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just gonna be finishing out the rest of this vlog like regular vlog style. That's gonna be it. I'm gonna go charge my camera battery, go to the gym, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. Oh wait. So last time I talked to you guys was the little unboxing I did with FabFitFun, and I'm currently getting ready for something so amazing. Sorry about the bathroom lighting. It's like It's 1 o'clock and it's so gross outside. But first of all, I also need a tan really bad because I am pale as. Today is a very exciting day. I didn't know if I wanted to like vlog this, but I figured I could like look back on it and be like, okay, that's cool. I was supposed to vlog like all day Thursday when I filmed the FabFitFun unboxing, and then just never happened. My skin is so bad right now, like so bad. Today is my interview for an internship. Basically the lady on the phone, I had like a phone interview last Friday, and she was like, yeah, like we kind of want you to start immediately, but like let's meet in person first. So like I'm pretty sure I have the job. As some of you guys know, my major is TV production and digital media, so obviously a video internship. So like she asked me what I would want to be doing, and I said I really like editing, and she was like really surprised. I guess people don't like to edit, but like personally I could sit there like all day and edit videos. Oh god, this foundation is like so hard to blend into my face. Only reason I don't like it is because it's so heavy and I hate wearing a lot of face makeup. I'm also not as tan as I was when I bought it, therefore barely matches me. So I went out and got a bunch of like business professional clothes the other day. I am like so excited. I don't even know what I'm talking about at this point. Like I really need to hurry up because I need to leave in like 20 minutes and clearly I'm not ready. I just kind of like dilly-dallied at the gym. I am obviously back up at school, so if I get this internship I would be like moving back up to school, which is like crazy and just like so unexpected considering I literally just moved out. So I'm cool with that. I love the town I live in. I love it. Like I like it better than my hometown. There's a lot to do. There's like so much more. Also have been loving, I think I showed you guys this in a vlog months ago, but this is like my favorite palette I've ever bought. I also really can't tell if this and this are like matching right now. My face is like totally too dark, whatever. Maybe I'll self-tan later. I had a tanning membership at this place at home, but I only got a month, and I told myself I was only allowing myself a month of tanning. And in that month I already have a little spot I need to get checked out by the dermatologist with, so that's awesome. Tanning's not cool, kids. Also, it's really gonna suck, I feel like, not being able to just go to the beach whenever I want to, like I would if I was home for the summer. But my grandma got a nice pool, so I'll be all right. I honestly don't even like the beach that much anyway, and if you know me, like if you're friends with me and you're watching this, you know that. Also, I've been spending way too much money on Starbucks and I have literally no money to spend. Anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera off because I really need to get ready, and I can't get ready while talking to a camera, so peace out. Hello everyone. So excuse the crappy quality. I'm on my iPhone because I left my vlog camera in the car and it's pouring rain. I'm not going outside. So I got the internship and I start next Monday. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be making like commercials and editing all these videos for this company. It's like a production company and they have grown so much. The lady was telling me, I guess in like the past year. I personally have never heard of them, so like this is all new to me. It's 3:40 now. My interview was at 2. I am starving. Also, I am still food combining. If you guys want me to make a whole like video about that, I will do that for you. Let's see. I was literally standing on my tippy toes the whole time, but I just went to Whole Foods, so I'm gonna make some food because I'm starving, and I will see you guys. Whoa, I think I did it. Okay. I just put my tripod up, except it's like totally in the way of my thing. So like I don't actually understand how people drive with this, and it's legal. I don't think it is. I'm going to TJ Maxx right now to return some of my clothes because the lady was like, oh, like you can honestly like wear like whatever you want, like as long as it's like business appropriate. I went out and bought like real fancy clothes, so now I'm like, oh, like I don't need them. So I'm just gonna return some of them and get, I guess, some other things. I need to get a few things for my house. I have to get like a chair for my desk now that I'm like moved back in. I don't know, it's weird. It's like I'm moving in again. I feel like I've moved like 3 times in like the past 2 months. So that's what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna take this car mount down because this is definitely not legal. So I just got back from TJ Maxx. I was there for like kind of a while, but as you can see, I got some new bedding because I took the bedding that was on my bed originally this past year home with me. It's on my bed at home. So we got, it's like, honestly, like, my bed's not even made. It looks like shit, but I got this little quilt and I thought it was really cute. This is like very me. I just wanted like all white, and then I got this little pillow. And then I also got, which I really needed, a new makeup organizer thing. And I got this because it was on clearance for like $3, and I was like, this is like my aesthetic. So now I'm gonna shower, and I have like 2 videos to upload, and I have a lot of homework due. So I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.